I do not feel well today. I have a headache. My throat hurts too. I feel cold and a little dizzy. I have a fever. I have a fever. I need to see a doctor. Hello? I would like to make an appointment.
Of course. What is your name, please?
I have a fever and headache. Can I come today?
Yes.
Can you come at 2 o'clock? 2 o'clock is perfect. Thank you very much. See you at 2. Feel better soon. I need to rest. The doctor is at 2. My appointment is at 2. Time to go. I do not feel great. But the doctor will help. Excuse me, I have an appointment at 2. Welcome. Your name, please? I can see your appointment. Please fill this form. Of course. Do I use a pen?
How do you spell headache? Headache. Head. Ache. Ache.
Here is the form. Is everything correct? Perfect. Please take a seat. The doctor is ready soon. The waiting room is very clean and quiet. The doctor is a little late. That is okay. Sophia, the doctor is ready for you now. Thank you. I am coming. Room 3. Dr. Chen is your doctor today. Thank you. Is she nice? Good. I am a little nervous. Very nice. She is the best doctor here. Let me check your blood pressure. Relax your arm. Is it normal? Hello, Sophia. I am Dr. Chen. How are you feeling? Not very well. I feel quite sick today. I have a headache. My throat is sore. How long have you had these symptoms? Since this morning, about 6 hours now. And do you have a fever? Yes, my temperature was 38.2. 38.2. And do you feel cold or hot? I also have a dry cough. And I feel very tired. Is the cough dry or wet? Dry. Dry. No mucus. Just dry. Okay. Let me examine you now. Open your mouth, please. Say ah. Ah. Everything looks very good. Breathe in deeply. Now out. Good. Is my breathing okay? You have a viral infection, a common cold with fever. Is it serious? Is it serious? No, not serious. Rest and medicine will help. That is good news. Thank you. Here is your prescription. 2 medicines. What are they for? One is for the infection, the other is for pain. This one is for fever. This one is for your throat. How many times a day? How many times a day?
2 tablets, 3 times a day. With food. 2 tablets, 3 times a day. Understood.
How many days do I take the medicine? 5 days. Finish all the tablets. Very important. Rest at home. Drink lots of water. Sleep early. Yes, doctor, I will do all of that. Thank you, Chen. Thank you, Dr. Chen. You are very helpful. Feel better soon, Sophia. Take care. The pharmacy is just there, near the clinic. Hello, I have a prescription from Dr. Chen.
Of course. Let me see it, please. 2 medicines. I will get them for you now.
Thank you. How long will it take? Excuse me, do you have throat lozenges too?
Yes, Isol 2.
The blue package.
Here are your medicines. Let me explain them.
Yes, please. I want to understand everything.
This one is for fever. Take 2 tablets with water. With water.
With water, not juice?
Water is best for this medication. This one is for your throat. Take it after food.
After food, not before. I understand. Are there any side effects?
You may feel a little sleepy. That is normal.
How much is it?
$12.50. Card is fine.
I have my medicine. Now I can go home and rest. First tablet done. 2 more times today. Rest, water, medicine. That is my plan today. I am sick today, but I saw the doctor. I have medicine. I feel much better today. The medicine worked. 36.6. Normal. No more fever! Last tablet. I finished all 5 days. Done. Hello, I am Sophia. I feel much better now. Wonderful! Did you finish all the medicine? Comment below. What do you say when you feel sick? Subscribe for more slow English practice every week. I feel completely normal. Time to go out!